Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a timeline to your WordPress website, step by step, using the full guide. Whether you want to showcase your brand's history, project milestones, or personal achievements, this tutorial will help you set it up quickly and easily, even if you're a total beginner. So stay with me till the end, because I'll show you a few pro tips to make your timeline look stunning and professional. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress website. On the home page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Click on it to open the sign-in page. Now, to make things super fast and secure, click Continue with Google. This option signs you in instantly without needing to remember your password every time. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected straight to your WordPress dashboard. From your dashboard, you locate the quick link section and click on an edit site. This will open the WordPress editor where you can modify the design of your website. Next, choose the page where you want to display your timeline. For example, your About page or company history page. Once you're on that page inside the editor, look at the top left corner and click the plus icon. A search bar will appear. Type timeline into it. You'll now see a timeline design block option appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to insert the timeline block into your page. Now comes the fun part, adding your timeline entries. Click Add Entry, and you'll see editable fields where you can input important dates, events, or milestones. For each entry, include a short title, a brief description, and even images if you'd like. Visuals make your timeline much more engaging. You can continue adding as many entries as you need, maybe one for each year of progress or each major update your brand has achieved. Once everything looks good, don't forget this crucial step. Click the Save button in the top right corner. This will ensure that all your edits are stored and published live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a sleek, professional-looking timeline to your WordPress site, all without using any complicated code or external plugins. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and practical WordPress tutorials like this one. Also, drop a comment below if you want me to cover advanced timeline customization or other creative WordPress design tips in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.